Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super important but often overlooked: capital market instruments. So what are they? And why should you care? Alright, let's start with the basics. Capital market instruments are basically tools that companies and governments use to raise money from investors. Think of them as the building blocks of the financial world. They're divided into two main categories: equity instruments and debt instruments. First up, equity instruments. When you hear equity, think of stocks. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of a company. You become a shareholder, which means you get a slice of the profits in the form of dividends, and you have a say in how the company is run. Stocks can be super rewarding, but they're also risky. Prices can go up and down like a roller coaster. Next, debt instruments. These are like IOUs companies, and governments issue bonds to borrow money. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to the issuer. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally safer than stocks, but the returns are usually lower too. Now let's talk about mutual funds. These are a bit different, but they're super important. A mutual fund pools money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. It's like a pre-packaged investment meal. The big advantage? Diversification. By spreading your money across many investments, mutual funds can reduce risk. And then we have derivatives. These are a bit more complex, but stick with me. Derivatives are financial contracts whose value depends on an underlying asset like a stock or a bond. Think of options and futures. They can be used to hedge risks or for speculative purposes, but they're not for the faint-hearted. So why should you, as a student, care about all this? Understanding capital market instruments is crucial if you want to make informed investment decisions. Whether you're planning to invest soon, or just curious about how the financial world works, this knowledge can give you a huge edge. Remember, the key to investing is starting early and staying informed. So keep learning, keep asking questions, and don't be afraid to dive in. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.